So hello children, today we are going to do one more exercise. Today totally you are going to do, I'm not going to do, so that I'm going to share a screen now. So I'm sorry for this. Okay, all of you ready? Yes, this page. Yeah, let us do word wall. See, all of you, you have to read. I'm going to read you once and you're going to read. Okay. So you have to read continuously the I sounds and A sounds. I'm going to just read once and you are going to do. So I think this is enough sharing so that you can see properly. Sip, hip, lip, dip, nip, tip, din, pin, tin, bin, bit, lid, bit, sit, pit, hit, lit. Okay, who is going to read? I can help you. Yes. Now, sat, mat, pat, pad, had, lad, map, cap, nap, lap, tap, can, man, pan, tan, cap, tap. Okay, so this word somebody is going to read. Okay, so these are the practices with I sound and A sound. Here, say aloud, this is a pin. This is a nib. This is a lid. Okay, you know. So you have to say, is it a pin? No, it is not. Is it a bin? No, it is not. Is it a fin? No, it is not. Is it a tin? Yes, it is a tin. Here now, help the rabbit to reach the carrot, follow up. Okay, IP words. You have to follow only IP words. That we are going to do. It's very interesting. So I'm excited to do this more than you. Okay, so IP words. So here the IP. Where is IP? See, if you go like this, IN word. So again, you have to see IP. So I have come like this, then I have to move and I'm looking. See if I go, that is snap. So again, I can see here only IP word. Yes. Now then, where to go? So if I go like this, then if I go like this, IS word is coming. Now here IP word I can see. Oh my God, I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't. I have to minimize little bit. Okay. So for that I have to little bit minimize, then it will go like this. Okay, wait. Yes, now it's go. Okay, I'll clear. Always these are some problems with what to say online. Okay, yes, we started till this and we have come to lip. Yes, now we are moving to hip. Yes, now after hip we are moving to IP word tip. Yes, now after that I'm moving to dip. Okay, so after that I'm coming to sip, nip and took the carrot. So reached like this. Okay, so all of you do and send me. So this is for today's class. Okay, thank you.